Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Dominoes 7 show. Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bells. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay. Well. I must say, I want to wish all y'all a Merry Christmas, okay? Yes, indeed. I mean, my favorite time of day, but just my first Christmas without my mom, you know. Much as I miss her, you know, I still miss her, but it's my third Christmas without my grandmother, okay? She passed away July 18, 2016. My mom passed April 29th, 2018, you know? So that's 2 years apart, you know, okay? And I got Brock's presents, okay? So I don't know if he gonna be up in time. Well, he gonna be up actually, okay? All right. So what I'm gonna do? About to go downstairs. Yep, I'm gonna go downstairs. Give him them presents, okay? All right. So he need to open them up immediately, okay? All right. Be right back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right. Open your presents. Okay. Which one you gonna open? Alright. Alright. Go ahead, open. Open it. Open it. Open it. Alright. Alright. That's not skates. That's a radio.
Radio.
With a tape recorder on it too.
Yeah.
All right. And that's a little present you got. All right. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Okay. Open your other one. And what is that? Open it.
Yeah.
That's interesting. What's that? Oh, you go. Oh, that's that's PlayStation game. Open this one.
Yeah.
Well, that's PlayStation things. I didn't know what the hell that was. Okay. Oh, and put it down here. Let me here. Open it. All right, go ahead. You can open it.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what you got? Games.
Okay.
And a PlayStation 2 like you asked for.
Yeah.
And what that is? Earphones.
Earphone.
And you got a PlayStation 2. You see that?
This is 2.
You want me to hook it up?
Yeah.
All right. So it's about to hook it up, and I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Okay. All right. So probably later today, I'ma go to my people house and stuff like that, you know. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this, or what I'm gonna do, or whatever. Okay. So Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'm very, very elated and happy to do this show and everything else and stuff like that, you know, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, you know. All right, so anyway, I gotta wish Kristen a Merry Christmas, my favorite girl. No. I know what some of y'all thinking though. Y'all thinking I have feelings for her and want to be with her and stuff like that and fall in love with her. Oh hell no. Okay. I already know some of you people seen Kristen on my show in previous occasions. Her first episode was in my second season, okay? So anyway, I'm laughing because of what I'm about to say, Poo Kristen. Oh my God. Yes indeed, yo. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Never mind all that. I'm about to go get in the shower, okay? Talk to you on the next one.